Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ActiveCampaign to sync contacts with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. In the search bar, type Salesforce and select it from the results. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce username and password, then click Login. Authorize ActiveCampaign to access your Salesforce data by clicking Allow. Once connected, return to ActiveCampaign and access the Apps section again. Here, you will see the integration you've just set up. Click on Settings to configure the synchronization options. Choose the contact lists you want to sync between ActiveCampaign and Salesforce. You can also set up conditions that determine which contacts are synced. Next, configure the mapping between ActiveCampaign fields and Salesforce fields. Make sure to align any custom fields you have created in Salesforce. Once all fields are correctly mapped, save your settings. You can run a test sync to ensure everything is functioning properly. Check the sync status to confirm that contacts are being transferred as expected. After verifying successful synchronization, you can monitor this periodically. Access the Reports section in ActiveCampaign to see the results of the sync. If you encounter any issues, consult the troubleshooting guide in the Help Center. Review your integrations regularly to ensure everything remains up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.